What a show. It is.
And now, it's time to
Zoom in with Poonnin.
Welcome back. My name is Poonnin. I'm working Mod Mafia. And last week, we did a multi-point inspection on a H1 Reno, the yellow open top. And we found a very loose spindle nut to the point where it's about to fall off. And customer complained that the left rear wheel locks up as he drives down the road. So something bad's happening in there. And we're gonna find out today what it is. In order to remove this from the vehicle, you have to remove an access plug so you can get to the bolt that holds the half shaft to the hub. And well, here's a good one. And a bad one. The bolt has backed out and ground himself a nice little pocket. So it's a little preview of destruction that's in this hub, but let's get into it. This is a steer arm cover, radius rods or tie rod attached here, and it basically controls your toe. And behind it is this locking spindle nut and the driven gear. Oof. That's pretty bad. It's supposed to be 7590 in here. Probably about the worst we have seen. But
But then we get the lizard skins and random coating on the under bed. On the inside, I would
okay. That's supposed to be preloaded to 25 foot-pounds. Not today. You shouldn't be able to spin it out with your hand. This yeah. Terrible conditions. Here's what a good breakdown looks like. Normal wear, nothing crazy. Yeah. So this I'm gonna open up the hub cover, see what the gear face looks like. Oh wow. Yeah. That lubrication had left the building a long time ago. Corrosion, signs of water.
Is that what's going on your truck? This is something we're really Oh, is this what you were talking about doing at the wheel? You have an agreement with Brembo. That side we agree with some
We've been inspecting the teeth for abnormal wear. There's some sign of corrosion, so we'll be getting a new driven gear at the minimum. Believe it or not, this hub case can be reused because we replace all the seals, all the bearings, and all the race spindles. Probably get a new spindle. Yeah, there's a seal failure also on the hub input. So this is why it was locking up. The roller bearing on the drive gear has left their cage. Yeah, it's supposed to look like this. Yeah, well, not today. What's left of the cage. We're gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna assess it. Chances are, with how much corrosion is on here already, we'll probably just go ahead and get a new one. But definitely can be saved. You just probably need a new spindle, and only thing that's get reused is just the case. New drive gear, new driven gear, and all new bearings, race, and seals. stay tuned because we're going to be putting together more hubs, and once the case comes back from powder coating, and so stay tuned.
This has been
Zoom in with Poonin.